So, our base form of the equation. We got ED over 1 plus or minus E cosine theta, or R equals ED over 1 plus or minus E sine theta. These are our two base forms of conics in polar coordinates.
What's a conic again?
Conics, you're talking parabolas, ellipses,
Oh, right.
and so on.
Okay.
And curves.
E
E, not the number E, no, the variable. E is eccentricity.
E times T, right?
Yes. So E is eccentricity. I believe you can change it into that form, yes. Now, when we're dealing with eccentricity, or a polar conic, how do you think we determine vertical or horizontal? Yeah, sine and cosine, actually. What do you think sine would be? Vertical. Cosine would be horizontal. So we're going to put vertical over here. I'll say these are vertical and horizontal. Now, all of these ones are for equations focused at the pole. So we're focused at the pole, not moving around yet. Meaning if you got, this is your center, so you might have your parabola like that. Or you might have an ellipse. Stuff like that. So, in your calculator, I want you to put this in. R equals, choose some E you want. So E, and let's just say 2E over 1. Then choose whether you want to do plus or minus. Choose your E cosine theta. So everybody's choosing E and plug it in. And then choose either plus or minus. I want everybody to choose it.
You give me any number?
Yes.
What? Huh?
Okay, so I want you to make sure you do need to put parentheses here. So I want you to put this into your calculator, choosing some E that you're going to plug in for both those E's. And then choose either plus or minus. You do need to put parentheses around the bottom.
Why?
Unless your calculator automatically puts it in. Okay, so I'll already. Yeah, choose me. I said choose either plus or minus.
Oh.
Okay, so you're in radians. When you're zoomed in degrees.
What?
So do a zoom standard or something like that.
Does it have to be in degrees or radians?
It doesn't matter. I would do radians. Okay, so what should you have?
That?
Yeah. So what is your E that you're using? Yeah, you did the E1 and you got a parabola.
What is it?
I got it.
Okay? Look at it a bit closer. What did you have? Okay, now, one restriction we're going to put in here. Because we got the plus and minus, we're going to say E is greater than 0. And D is greater than 0. Mainly so this because we already taken into account whether it's plus or minus or whether we put in a negative E in here by putting a minus here. So if you put a positive E and you say a minus, it's the same as having a negative E and a plus. So by choosing either plus or minus, we automatically get whether E is positive or negative. And that way we can have a single set of rules. Does that make sense?
Well, what about the top?
Okay? Now, if you make this negative up here, if you have them both negative, what's going to happen? We can move that negative from the top to the bottom and switch the sign. Now, let's see. Remember we had a directrix or a parabola. To get your directrix, we're going to have if x equals d, or x is equal to d if we have this form. R equals ed over 1 plus e cosine theta, or r equals, and if we have r equals ed over 1 minus e cosine theta, what do you think it's going to be? X equals negative g.
Why are they different?
Because if we flip this over, the same thing if we were flipping the sides here, flip the sides with the directrix on.
How do you know if it's plus or not?
If it says a plus right here, it's plus.
How do you know the difference?
Okay, where's the directrix?
It's almost like not like the
So, yeah.
bottom of the bowl.
So think about the graph and look at the graph. Now, if we have r equals ed over 1 minus e, or let's do plus first, plus e sine theta, what do you think it's going to be? Yeah, y equals d. And we have r equals ed over 1 minus e sine theta, what is it going to be? Does it follow why we would have y here when we have sine?
So why is why the
It's
horizontal?
a horizontal line. So think about if we had a parabola, a vertical parabola, we want the directrix to be on the line over here. Right?
That is right.
Yeah. Now,
What would that be in the equation like that?
the horizontal line, y equals b or y equals negative b, depending on the situation. Remember, y equals something as a horizontal line. X equals something as a vertical line.
You have to memorize these.
Memorize what?
That.
All the information.
Inside.
We'll see. Now, some of what you're going to be asked to do is this. What is the conic? Eccentricity and directrix. And you're given the equation, say r equals negative 8 over sine theta minus 0.25. So what do you think we need to do? Okay, let's get into the other form. What is the other form going to be?
So,
This give you sine or cosine one. What? Sine, yes. 1 plus or minus e sine. How do we know it's a sine one? Because that's sine in here.
Oh, right.
Yes, this is our goal, to put it in this form. What should we do? You sure? But I don't want could be, I want what is it? How do you know? So how do we change it to this form?
oh, you can't put
So r equals, I'm going to leave it negative 8. What can I do on the bottom first?
Okay, negative.
Negative 0.25 plus sine theta. Because I have to get it oriented the same way as this one. What number do I need to have here? So what do I need to multiply by? So let's multiply everything by negative 4. R equals 32 over 1 minus 4 sine theta. Anybody confused with what we did? Okay? So if what I did is I multiplied each time thing by 4. 4 times negative 4, actually. Because our goal was a 1.
Oh, we wanted one?
We want 1, because this is a form we wanted in. Which means we have to get that 1. We need a 1 there to be able to match that form. And so what do we multiply by negative 0.25 by to get negative, or to get 1? Negative 4. And so we multiply all the parts by negative 4.
So it's a hyperbole.
So what is E? 4.
Oh, yeah.
What is D going to be?
8.
So D equals 8. So now, what is the shape? Hyperbola. Everybody's clear why that is? Yep. Highlighter. Highlighter. E equals 4. If E is greater than 1, it's a hyperbola. Okay? What is, oh, we already got the eccentricity, so I'm going to say it's a hyperbola. Eccentricity is 4. What is your directrix? Y equals negative 8. Do you see why that is?
Is D and E always positive?
Yes.
So what is in the top is negative 21?
Okay? So if it was a negative 21 here,
But E is, sorry, negative 28 is,
so let's say negative 28.
yeah.
Okay? What can I do? How can I make
E
it?
is negative 40.
So this would not be one of the set things. Meaning it's not going to be follow the same pattern. You might get something interesting.
What is the eccentricity? 4, right?
Yeah.
So E will always have greater than 3.
Yes.
So not going to be negative.
Correct. Next thing, another type of problem. Write equation
Well, we
with
have
eccentricity equals 1 and directrix is x equals negative 1.5.
What equation does this one?
Write the equation of the conic.
will it ever be negative in top?
Well, it could be in the case that we could do manipulate to make it positive.
Yeah, of course, but here.
I don't believe so.
So does the variable b on this place necessarily mean directrix?
Well, the directrix, where's the directrix going to be for, or what is D going to be for this one? 1.5. Okay. R equals, do you know what E is?
Yeah.
Okay, do you know what D is?
E is 1.5.
So 1.5 over, what's going to go here?
1.
What's going to go here?
Close to 0.
So what's the shape?
A hyperbole, problem. Problem.
Oh, because E equals 1. Oh, yeah.
Okay, parabola.
You would get E and B.
Okay, fairly easy, right?
Yeah.
So if it's 1.5, will it be a hyperbole?
If E is 1.5? Yes. Okay, another one. Write rectangular form. So R equals 8.4 over 1 minus 0.4 cosine of theta. Yes. So we need to change this to rectangular. First, what's our shape? So we know what our goal is going to be.
It's mixed.
Okay? So what's the equation do you look like?
I feel like something over X.
So we have x. So we could end up with x minus h squared over a squared y minus k squared over b squared equals 1. Yeah?
Are you going to give me?
What now?
You said you don't have to remember. I forgot every single one of them.
This chapter is
I forgot every
7
single
and
one.
chapter 5 on the 54.
So, yeah, this chapter tells us everything we've done.
I forgot every single one of them.
Is this the hard part? Is that the hard part?
This is going to be a challenging part, I think. So how are we going to do it?
They're going to multiply everything by
Okay, multiply by what? Okay, so multiply the denominator, so we're going to have r minus 0.4 r cosine theta equals 8.4.
Why?
No, r. Okay?
But what?
We're just multiplying it so we don't have this division thing over here. We multiply both sides by this. 1 minus 0.4 cosine theta to cancel it here.
How do you get rid of the theta?
Is that 2 R's on the left side?
Here?
Yeah.
Yeah, because if you have r times 1, and then r times that, so what is this part going to become? Okay, so that can simplify. R minus 0.4x equals 8.4.
Yeah.
What?
You just add 4x to the
Okay, so we can get r equals 0.4x plus 8.4. Okay, square both sides if you can. Why might we want to do that? Yeah. The r squared equals the 0.16 x squared. Do you want to do that for me? The middle term.
Will that be better or multiply r? Would be the same thing.
Well, if we multiply by r, what's going to happen? We're going to get another r hanging out over here. What? Okay, what's going to be middle term? And last term? I don't feel like doing that in my head. So let me do 8.4 squared. And somebody else do 0.4 times 2 times 8.4.
You should know.
8.4 squared is 70.56.
70.56?
No,
70.56?
yeah.
Okay. Okay. 6.72 x. Is that right? Okay. And then, so we got x squared plus y squared equals 16x squared plus 6.72 x plus 70.56. And remember, our goal is right here. So let's start by subtracting. Get all the x squared together. Minus 0.16x squared. What's this going to become?
0.84.
0.84x squared minus 6.72x plus y squared equals 70.56.
I have a question.
Yeah?
Did you get this from the book or did you
Yeah.
get it?
Some book.
The books that like
It's on the homework.
I don't know.
like
There could be one selected from the homework.
why? Why did you do that?
Okay, what suggestions do you have? Okay, we're going to do completing the square with this part. So let's factor out as 0.84.
Oh, my goodness.
X squared minus, what's 6.72 divided by 0.84? 8x. What do you know? It's very nice.
Oh, wow.
Plus something plus y squared equals 70.56. Okay, so what number do we need to add here? So plus 16, and then what number are we going to add over here? 13.44. This looks pretty nice over here.
Yeah.
What?
So I'm going to have
Oh, yeah.
0.84 x minus 4 squared plus y squared equals what?
84.
84. Okay?
How come it's 8x?
8x be factored out to 0.84. So this divided by 0.84.
Oh.
Okay, now what do we need?
Divide by
Divide by 84. Remember, we need a 1 on the side.
But
Right.
don't we get rid of that zero?
We need a 1 on the side. Remember, that's a
Oh,
form.
yeah.
We need a 1.
Oh.
So what are we going to get when you take this? 0.84 divided by 84. So we're going to have x minus 4 squared over, is it 100? Okay. So plus y squared over 84 equals 1. There's our equation.
Wait, how is it 100?
I don't know. Yeah.
0.84 divided by 84?
Well,
Here.
it's
0.84 over 100, or over 84. So let's move the decimal over 1, 2, so 84 over 8400.
It's 0.11.
So 1 over 100, so it's
So-
100 on the bottom.
You follow it now? Okay. So there's our equation. And notice there are some challenging parts to that.
I don't
Is
like
this the hardest part?
I think that should be the harder part.
I get harder with that.
Well, this was one of the harder ones in the chapter. I just copied one from the book.
Are we done?
Yep.